Hello friends, I am Jeevan Vijay Sherpande. In today's video, I am going to explain you about top 5 famous electronic companies. Let's start. Starting with our topic. So, again I will repeat that our channel's name is Learning World by Jeevan Vijay Sherpande. So, our today's topic name is top 5 famous electronic company. So, first is Microsoft. Second is Apple. Third is OnePlus and fourth is Samsung. At last, Intel. So I will show you the symbol of these companies. So this is of Microsoft, this is of OnePlus, this is Apple, this is Samsung, and at last this is Intel. Microsoft. Founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates and Paul Allen, and CEO of Microsoft is Satya Nadella. Information. Microsoft is an American multinational technology company which produces computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Headquarters of Microsoft is in the Raymond, Washington, United States. Now, our next company is Apple. Founder of Apple is Steve Jobs and Stephen Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. The CEO of Microsoft is Tim Cook. Information. Apple Inc. is an American multinational technology company that specializes in consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. Apple is the world's largest technology company by revenue, and since January 2021, the world's most valuable company. And headquarters of Apple is in the Cupertino, California in United States. So next is OnePlus. Founder Karen Quinn, CEO Patty Lau, and headquarters of OnePlus is in the Shenzhen in China. Information. OnePlus Technology is a Chinese consumer electronics manufacturer. Headquarters is in the Shenzhen, Guangdong provinces. In the Terran building at Qinggong Temple sub-district of Fountain District. This was some valuable information of OnePlus. Now, next company is Samsung. Founder of Samsung is Lee Byung-chul and CEO is Scott Messier. Information. Samsung is a South Korean multinational conglomerate headquartered in Samsung Town, Seoul. It comprises numerous affiliated businesses, most of them united under the Samsung brand and is the largest South Korean chainball. As of 2020, Samsung has 8th highest global brand value. And headquarters of Samsung is in the Seoul in South Korea. Intel. Founder of Intel are Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce. CEO Pratik P. Jayasinger. Information. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California. It is the world's largest semiconductor chip manufacturer by revenue and is a developer of the x86 series of microprocessors. The processor found in most personal computers. Headquarters is in Santa Clara, California in United States. Now this is the end of our video. So thank you for watching my video till end, and please comment if you like the video and on which topic I should make the videos. So subscribe like and share this video. So bye bye. Meet you all in the next video.